Hey everyone, Cody from Mac Telecom Networks. A couple hours ago, Ubiquiti released Unifi Protect iOS 1.7.0, which brought a lot of good features to the iOS Protect app. One of the biggest updates in this was the dewarping mode for the AI 360, and this has been requested for quite a while, and I'm glad they put it in this update. Let's jump right into it. We can see right from this main page that there are a few new things. We have our motion, our person and vehicle detection, and now we have crossing lines, where you can see that 14 lines have been crossed. We'd also see the thumbnail images for the motion detections and the smart detections up top. One other really cool new feature is multi-view, which we've never been able to do before. So if I click on it, it's going to have a multiple view of all of my cameras right on the screen. I really like that new feature. Another new feature in this update, under our devices, we could see it list all cameras and then IoT. If we go over to my IoT, we could see my smart sensors, and we could also see the smart chime. They've also added console information. So if we click on my Mac Telecom UNVR, it's going to show us all our hard disk, as well as the model firmware and the temperature of the UNVR. And the biggest feature to me is the dewarping. So let's click on my Cadio 360. Now, if we click on the play button, we'll be able to see the dewarp mode right here. And clicking on the dewarp, now we can move it from side to side or up and down, as you could tell. So that's really great. They didn't have that in since the beginning of the AI 360. We could always do it through the web GUI, but never from our phone app. And the last feature that we're going to touch on is the high frame rate mode. So it's never been able to be accessed within iOS. If I click on my G4 bullet, and then we click on recording mode, and then we could click on recording quality. Here we could see high frame rate mode. Let's check it on. It's giving us a warning. Changing the high frame rate mode setting will cause your camera to briefly reset. And I'm fine with that, so we'll go ahead and reset. And after switching high frame rate mode on, we could see we're now getting 48 frames per second. So that was a quick overview of the new iOS 1.7.0. I'm really happy with that dewarp mode. I've wanted it for quite a while. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this new update. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, thanks.